Until the last point, we decided that it was not over, even though I was leading, because you never know, anything can happen. So each and every point was important. And yeah, after that point was over, I was blank. I don't know. My coach was literally like in tears, and of course, it's a big movement, and yeah. And of course, I went near him, I hugged him, and I said thank you, because it was his effort also. So yeah, that moment after that point was over, I was literally like blank, didn't know what to do. And then after 5 6 seconds, I shouted. So yeah, I think all emotions like came together at once. Well, during the match, I mean, initially after the semis was over, I was really sad. I mean, I was actually in tears. I mean, everybody was in tears. But I think, my coach and my physio, I mean, they said, it's not over yet. You have another chance. You've got another chance. Well, there were a lot of mixed emotions, whether I need to be happy that I got another chance, or I had to be sad because I lost in the semifinals. But I think, of course, Park just told me one thing I still remember, where he said, there is a lot of difference between a
Yes.
bronze and the fourth position. I think that really hit me. And I just thought that, yes, I need to get that medal, because getting a medal, for the country at the Olympics is definitely a big thing. And yeah, I just went with the mindset that I need to give my best and play my 100%. So yeah, it was all in that state of mind. Yeah, well, this whole journey of 5 years was a lot of ups and downs, where, after Rio, I mean, a lot has changed in my game, experience wise. And yeah, I think, I've lost few matches, I won few matches, I won the world championships. Yeah, a lot of things happened. So I think all together, I've learned a lot more. And I think it all comes with the experience, where, in my game wise, I've improved. And also, due to this pandemic, I mean, a lot of lives, uh, where a lot of people have been affected with COVID, and a lot of things have been happening. But I think, in this pandemic, a lot of tournaments also have been getting cancelled. But I think for me, I've utilized it in a very good way, where we actually got to learn new skill and new technique. And yeah, Mr. Park was always with me, training me every single day, and we've been learning new stroke and technique. So I think it has really helped me altogether. And yeah, as I mentioned earlier, playing in Gachibowli Stadium is always an advantage, because when we play an international tournament, it is almost like an international standard courts, and there is air conditioning which is needed. So yeah, I think I feel that is the best decision that we have taken. And we've also been getting players from Suchitra Academy, and so that we get used to different players every single
Yes.
day. And yeah, I mean, I think, and also the support that BAI has been giving, sports authorities has been really good. Because I think whenever needed, whatever needed, they have always been there. And of course, Ajay sir, always keeps asking me, "Kuch bhi chahiye to humko bol do" karke. So I mean, every single thing has been perfectly fine. So we didn't have, or we didn't want it anything separately. So सब कुछ अच्छा चल रहा था. और finally we got that medal back. So the journey was good. I mean, we learn a lot more, we do mistakes, and we come back much more stronger. So that's how. Well, I will dedicate it to my fans, my family members, because definitely I miss all of them here because of this pandemic. A lot of people couldn't come, no spectators, no fans. So I'm sure, virtually everybody have been, showing their love, and, blessing me and supporting me. So I would like to dedicate it to,
Hello everyone. Now that our Indian athletes have started their Olympics journey with a bang, we want you, our fans, to engage with us with this mega sporting event. Follow a few simple steps and stand the chance to win an Olympics jersey for yourself. Let's all cheer for our Indian contingent at the Tokyo Olympics 2020. For more details, check out the description box below.